That is so Sheena. I'm done. 2, 3, mabuhay! Hey, kamusta ang lahat? Hi everybody, I'm Pierre and welcome to Neon Reactions. Folks, we are here with BINI and they dropped an interview today. It is called BINI Shares Their Favorite Underrated OPM Artists and a Proposed Title If Given an MMK Episode and More. This is from the channel We Love Radio tag 911 Pinoy Talaga. Somebody sent me the link for this and I checked it like 2 or 3 hours ago and there were captions there, automated captions, but it only showed me the English words they said in between their Tagalog. And it didn't translate the Tagalog, so I just left it. I waited a couple of hours. We'll see how far it is now. Maybe the captions are fixed, maybe not. If not, we'll watch anyway because, yeah, we just love these girls. So let us do this, folks. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Hop on over to my Patreon if you want to support the channel. Check out my Discord, my podcast with V, my 2-3 Mabuhay shirt, and if you have anything to tell me, you know the comment section is the place to go. But now, it's time for an interview. Let's do this.
It means you're someone who loves to eat.
Then whine about your weight after.
It means you prefer to speak or sing in Filipino or any
Yes.
of our other languages.
It means you're galo.
Fun and crazy.
It means you're kind and helpful.
Okay.
It
Of
means
course.
many things.
We're truly Filipino. Pinoy Talaga!
Tag 91.1 Pinoy talaga!
What do Filipinos love?
Playing around.
Or singing along? Dream vacations and emotional reunions.
Yay!
Celebrities. Sports.
Food. That's it.
That's Tag! Yan ang UAE's #1 Filipino radio
Okay.
station. Tag 91.1
I have never heard of this radio station before.
Pinoy talaga!
Hello and welcome to Tag. Pack up na kung ano man po na
Hello.
BINI member, hindi nakapasa sa audition, Maria Maldita.
And again, welcome sa paborito mong tambayan tuwing time ng uwian. Ako naman, Johnny Binier, yani. Hanggang Sunday po yung branding natin na yan. At wag muna tayo umuwi mga katag dahil ngayong time to pack up makakasama natin ang nagmamay-ari ng Song of the Year sa Tag 91.1 ngayong 2024.
Okay, it seems to be working now because that did not work 3 hours ago. There was nothing about what he said, and now we've got everything, which is good, so I'm looking forward to this now.
Welcome ang ating nation's girl group, BINI!
BINI!
Say hi, girls!
Say hi, girls.
Mabuhay!
Oh my God! Oh my God, look at the blouses and wow. Wow. Look at Shayna with all the ruffles and everything and Aya next to her. Gwen. Oh God, Malloy. This is good. Okay, they are beautiful. But have they ever not been beautiful? Hello.
Ayun, pakilala po tayo isa-isa. Go!
I'm Joanna.
Ako po si Maloy.
I'm Gwen.
I'm Aya.
I'm Sheena.
I'm Colette. I'm Stacy.
Hi, I'm Mika.
Hi, Mika. BINI. BINI.
Nakabalik na ulit kayo sa Dubai. Ang tagal natin itong inantay, Johnny.
Sobra, 'di ba? Pinilit pa natin noong 2021, hindi napilit pero at least 'di ba ngayon finally magkakasama na tayo. So, meron nga kami gustong tanungin na may kinalaman of course sa huli ninyong bisita dito.
Yes, so kamusta yung naging last visit niyo dito sa Dubai? Meron ba kayong gusto pang mga ma-experience gawin na hindi ninyo nagawa before?
Okay.
Skydiving.
Hindi lahat.
Ito for sure, si Ayo for sure.
Yun yung,
Gusto
actually,
niya.
pagkarating namin dito, nagtanong, wala lang. Nagtanong ako agad siya. Oo, ng skydiving.
Pero ayaw mo mag-roller coaster.
Ayoko. Iba kasi
I don't,
mag-
okay.
roller coaster, ang bilis.
ATV ulit, guys.
Remake yung Mikaya. Gusto ko mag-ATV. Ako din,
Sino bumagsak? No, may parang bumagsak na din.
It's my fault.
Ang
I'm
bilis
sorry.
kasi takbo niya.
Okay, okay. Riding an ATV is fun.
Di ba gusto mo rin? Sama ka na kayo.
Takot hindi na
Tara,
kayo edad friends.
skydiving.
Diba? Pero
Harap niya din mag-skydive. Kaso dahil
hindi na,
kaidaran,
10 years ago. 10 years ago,
Okay.
pangarap natin yan, di ba? Pero ano pang po pwede niyong gawin? Or
Skydiving would not be for me, and no bungee jumping, anything. I love my life.
gusto niyong gawin siguro?
Mag-shop po.
shopping!
Shopping.
Remember, oh,
I'd be going along with that.
At kumain ng Dubai chocolate.
Yung pistachio.
Yes.
Hindi tayo nagdala.
hindi ko na maalam na gusto nila. Ang alam ko lang yung pandesal, yun lang yung nakita ko na balitaan mo.
Okay,
At
okay.
siguro, maalala ko kasi hindi kayo nakasakay ng camel. Yes! Diba? Diba? Maalala ko yan eh, hindi kayo nakasakay ng camel. Ano
kabayo
nangyari doon?
lang.
Ano nang
Haven't we seen Aya on a camel? I don't remember.
Luzon? Parang late na nun eh. Maalala ko, diba?
gabi na.
Parang late na eh. Oo, so siguro
Pwede na
kapag
nag-desert safari.
Kung may sila schedule sila kung may time, di ba? And ito naman dito sa tag kasi, of course, laging most requested yung mga songs ninyo, di ba? Lagi naming piniplay dito at nire-request ng mga blooms ng mga fans din ninyo, no? Pero may mga parang songs na masasabi nating underrated sa inyo, di ba? Na parang masasabi natin na kailangan pa siguro ng more hype or mas mapakinggan ng mas marami. Kasi ako personal nung Tugatog Festival kasi I was there. Nanood ako sa inyo and ginajam ko si Golden Arrow. Like for me, sabi ko nga parang pwede ba ibalik niyo yung hype ng Golden Arrow ganyan at iba pang mga songs ng ng BINI para sa inyo ano yung parang masasabi yung underrated na kanta ninyo?
Kinikilig.
Kinikilig, yes.
Kasi,
Go.
R&B feels, tsaka feeling ko unexpected kasi ako nag-rap doon, si Colette, Bebe, Sheena nag-rap doon, and feeling ko, siya, parang breather.
I actually like Nandito Lang a lot, and I Feel Good. Very, very beautiful songs.
Maganda.
Jo?
Swim.
Ako, I feel good po. Very
Yes.
upbeat.
Thank you, Joanna.
Parang hindi siya nalalayo sa salamin-salamin. So, kung nabigyan nila ng chance yung salamin-salamin, baka yung I feel good din.
Tama.
Gwen?
Mine is siguro lagi. More pa. Though medyo umingi naman siya, pero parang more.
Aya?
Sa akin, No Fear po. Kasi feeling ko it's such a
Oh,
banger
okay.
song.
That's your jam.
It's such a banger song. Okay, okay.
Parang pag-play pa lang ng song, feeling ko, ay, hindi ko
Okay.
Headbang. Ayun, banger.
Sino?
Me, Jan ka lang. I'm a Jan ka lang enjoyer since day one.
Totoo, dyan ka lang.
So yeah, I love Jan ka lang. Super, it's my jam. If no
Okay,
fear, it's your
okay,
jam.
okay.
Mine is Jan ka lang.
Wow.
Your jam.
Ako po, ang huling cha-cha. Favorite ko yan nung list.
Huling cha-cha.
At ang ganda ng story niya na, may parang podcast akong parang napanood or yung clip niya na like grabe pala yung story. Exactly.
Last dance.
Stacey.
Okay.
Ako naman po from our new EP, Secrets. Kasi feeling ko yun yung
Oh.
mga bagong papatok siya kapag more pang ma-recognize.
Nika?
Pakinggan.
Mine
The new EP, I mean, we've talked about it. The new EP does take us back to the Broken Arrow, Born to Win era and feel that they had in the beginning.
is out of my head.
Yes.
Talaga ni Mix.
Yeah, because I feel like if you really appreciate like singing it lang, not just like the whole the song itself, it's really nice and the message it brings. Yeah.
Alright, sa mga collaborations naman na nagawa ninyo, kasi like super dami na, even mga international artists, no? Sino yung pinaka-favorite nyo and why? Kung sino lang gustong sumagat, go ahead. Maliban sa Enhypen, alam ko kating-kati ka na Colette at Sheena. Mga sumakses, go.
Collab like sa song po? Or
Yes. Sa dami, in general, sige, in general.
Yung mga naka-collab naman.
Kahit
Feeling po
content.
namin si Sir Gary V. Kasi sobrang
yeah.
gusto po nila yung Diyan Ka Lang and Di Bali na lang na remix po. Tapos gusto po nila sana kung pwede na maglabas ng studio version.
Okay.
Totoo.
Iba pa?
Gary V is cool.
Booking na po ako.
I can relate, engine din ako. So nakita ko yung mga ano nyo. Ano pa? Ano ba ba?
Siguro yung Agnes Mo po. BINI Mo remix
Oh,
po ng
yeah.
Cherry on Top.
Ah,
Kasi sobrang
okay.
ganda ng song. Tapos syempre super big star po si Miss Agnes Mo. So malaking opportunity po to para ma-promote din yung song namin sa Indonesia.
Right. Oo. Meron pa? Okay. So ngayon, kakatapos naman mag-feature ng, grabe yung iniyakan nyo. Pinanood namin kasi trailer, tsaka yung reaction video ninyo, no? Iniyakan ninyo yung life story ni Sheena. Of course, sa MMK, maalaala mo kaya, di ba? Bless you, Joe. Okay. No problem.
We have all shed countless tears for that. Yes.
May tingnan dyan.
May gusto tayo dyan.
Ayan. So,
Need more?
we wanna know, kung sakaling ma-feature yung life story din ninyo, sino yung gusto nyong gumanap and why? Quick one. Go, Vic.
Wala talaga akong maisip.
Siya daw siya mismo.
Siya mismo pwede rin naman, di ba?
Ako mismo.
Okay, ano yung title?
Okay.
Kilay.
Ano na lang. Hindi ko alam eh. Kayo, ano ba?
Volleyball.
Hindi.
It would be hard.
Haru.
Si Haru.
Si Haru. Allergy.
Allergy.
English daw.
English.
Oo, mahirap sa akin eh.
Okay yun, yung volleyball. Kilay nga.
Bola.
Pwede, bola.
Bola.
Ay,
Okay.
ikaw, Stax.
Ang hirap. Si ano na lang po,
Pink
Miss
ang title.
Janela.
It would be hard, wouldn't it? Just to, I mean, I guess it's always rather difficult. I just found out about the MMK through Sheena's story there. But I think it's not that easy to pick a title for the show with just one word, and they do that all the time. I think it's sometimes pretty hard.
Yeah, si Miss Janela Salvador po talaga. Wala lang. Pinapanood ko na po talaga siya kahit before pa nung teenager pa siya. So, ayun, I love her.
Anong title, if ever?
Anong ba?
Pink.
Pink.
Corona.
Ano po? Pink. Corona.
Pink,
Nice.
Pink Corona, Pink Corona.
Miss na din.
Ako na lang po.
Pwede, pwede.
mag-acting kahit hindi po ako magaling.
Ano po title?
Ano?
Gitara.
Guitar.
Guitar lesson.
Yeah.
Okay. Sige.
I'm done.
Meron pa?
That is so Sheena. I'm done.
Hindi ako si Kai. Montanola. Taga Cebu din siya eh. Tsaka actually, fun fact, nung nag-start ako na mag-modeling workshop, same kami actually. So, yeah, ko siya, witness ko siya nung bata pa siya. Tapos, title, siguro Plato.
Bakit?
Wow! May ako eh. May story.
Secret na, spoiler na.
Pinag-isipan niya na
May
yan.
good
Spoiler
and bad
siguro.
experiences ako with Plano.
Pinag-isipan niya
Plato.
Si Kai pupunta dito ngayong June, ha? Gwen? Yeah.
Wala akong maisip. Sino sa tingin niyo bagay sa akin? Dizon.
Oo,
Charlie
Charlie
Dizon.
Title ay? Rhythmic. Dolphin short. Heel. Or
Heel.
Makeup.
Makeup.
Color.
Rhythmic ka na lang. Ako, sino nga arte sa akin?
Panda.
Si Ben and Ben daw.
Si Miss Shai. Si Miss Mikey.
Mikey. Mikey Agustin. Yes, Mikey.
Ikaw nila.
Pwede ako na lang po. Sarili ko na lang po nakakahiya sa Ipa-akin. Title. Ribbon. Bayoneta. Bangs. Ribbon. Maggie.
Bangs.
Ako po, sarili ko din.
Confident queen.
Yes.
Kayang-kaya. Kada ng Ginto Days pala. Pinatutukan namin yan. Oo.
Title.
Mikropono.
Yes, microphone would actually be good for Joanna. Microphone, yes. Or news.
Mikropono? Oo. Sige po, mikropono raw po.
Or notebook.
Notebook.
Kasi your
journal.
Alam ko na. Or journal. Journal. Mahilig ko.
Journal. Just journal would be cool because it fits with journalist and it also fits with the journal of her life, and that would be cool.
Date ng
Litrato daw po.
Dorna na lang, Dorna. Yung naka-Dorna.
Medyo na-imagine ko na ha. So, Ma'am Sharo, baka naman, di ba, isa-isahin natin yan. Di ba, ito last question natin, may kinalaman sa parang personal din namin na na question ni Marimal dito sa inyo, no? Kasi tuwa kami sa inyo, pansin namin, sobra kayong supportive sa mga OPM acts, iba't ibang mga OPM acts, especially mga underrated artists. And ako, masasabi ko na ang dami yung mga sinuportahan na eventually naging fan din ako because of you guys.
I just remembered something. I wanted to, I've been wanting to take a look into that one female OPM artist where Malloy got up on stage with her Kitschy Nadal or something like that. I still want to take a look into her.
It started with like, before kasi, kilala ko si Maki before. Pero I started stunning him Dilaw era, nakasama si Maloy. 'Di ba? Cup of Joe, alam ko na yung mga songs nila, pero Misteryoso era, doon ako naging fan. Naging fan din ako ng Over October dahil din sa inyo, sa ilang mga influences ninyo. And 'di ba, lagi Maloy din, 'di ba, kapag nagpo-post ka sa sa social media, ka-carousel post ka, gumagamit kayo ng mga tawag dito mga OPM songs, 'di ba? So, grabe yung help ninyo sa sa Filipino community natin or sa mga underrated artists din natin. Sino ang masasabi nyo pang kailangan na mas mapakinggan ng marami? Kung may maisasuggest kayo sa mga fans ninyo, sa mga listeners natin.
I'm going to have to remember some of these names because if the girls say listen to that, we're gonna listen to that.
Sinong OPM acts yung palagay nyo kailangan pa ng more hype at mapakinggan pa ng maraming Pinoys?
Ako po, Kenanaya, Sugarcane, and Figures po.
I love Leonora by Sugarcane.
Yes.
Yeah, super. Malay.
Tanging ikaw din, the best. Go.
Okay.
Ako, one click straight, Halina, and Noir. Noir.
Bet natin. Gwet.
Sa akin po, Diwata. Kasi Bicolana din siya. Tapos actually, nung nag-start pa lang siya, pinapakinggan ko na. Bias ko yung Santigwar.
Okay.
Pero happy po ako ngayon kasi medyo, mas, di ba, ang dami na niyang achievements din. Tapos naalala ko po before, yung dance coach namin, naghahanap siya ng mga local songs, yung mga ganyang Bisaya. Sa akin, Bicol. So parang sinuggest ko yung Santigwar niya noon. Hi, Diwata.
Okay.
Aya?
Sa akin po, Jolian Salvado. From Cebu din po siya.
Nag-himig siya, di ba? Tama ba? Siya ba yung nag-himig?
Opo.
Himig.
Oo. Tapos may isa nga siyang song na ang galing kasi one take lang yung ginawa. As in, yun na yung pinublish. It's called Are You Happy Now? Yeah.
Okay. Pakinggan natin yan. Sheena?
Galing.
Ako yung for Rob Daniel.
Oh my gosh. I'm a Robert.
OG, grabe.
Seryoso. Ay, sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna go back and write down all these names and we're gonna take a look at some of them.
Recorded po kami.
Yeah, Rob Daniel. Sa mga ganung genre, I really love it.
Maganda yung puso niya ngayon. Pinapili namin dito.
Okay, yeah.
Talagang hinahype ko kasi fan ako. Sino ba?
Hinahanap ko yung mga gusto
Go ahead.
pinapakinggan. Okay, babasahin ko po. Si Ian Kiros.
Kiruz.
Si No One. Tatin DC. Letters from June.
BINI
meron akong bagong na-discover ngayon. Her name is Cheska po.
Okay. Sige, check natin yan.
Okay.
Kung siya mag-release ng mga songs.
Dami mga ganun. Nagsisimula din sa TikTok yung hype na po-push. Basta ako.
Ako naman po, mahilig po kasi ako sa mga R&B, OPM, mga music po. So, suggest ko Ferntan, Jason Dacal, and Dom Guyot. I love their songs. So.
Okay, I have not heard a single one of these names. None of what they were talking about. Wow, okay.
Sorry, mention ko lang din pala. I started listening to Diana because of you.
Running naman.
Talaga? Oo, di ba? Gustong-gusto rin natin yan, of course. And Mika.
Yeah, I was gonna say Fern also. And Denise Julia.
Yeah.
Yes, I love her. And that's all.
Iyon. Maraming salamat. And again, thank you sa pagtulong.
Very cool. That was like 2 or 3 names per person. Wow. Okay. New content.
Sa OPM natin.
This was
Napakalaki
cool.
ng help ninyo. Sa totoo lang, di ba? On that note, we have a very limited time and that ends the interview. Maraming salamat, girls.
Over.
Pero before we officially say goodbye,
Paki-invite ang ating mga listeners na manood sa Biniverse Dubai.
Oh.
Ah,
Yes,
oh.
guys. We will be having our show this May 18 at Coca-Cola Arena. Sana makapunta po kayo, and sa mga makakapunta, see you guys there. We hope that you enjoy our show. It's our first time na may sarili kaming concert here in Dubai. Yeah, we're just so excited, and we hope kayo din.
Alright, maraming salamat sa kasama natin first time sa Tag Backup na BINI!
Tag 91.1.
Tag 91.1. This was cool. This was nice. I like the two hosts. They are very talkative in a positive way. You know, I like listening to them. They ask good questions. They are very positive and friendly. I like that. Very nice. And we're definitely going to have to take a look at what these girls all said. What each and every one mentioned. I'm going to have to write them down. Bye! And see what that's all about. Wow. This was cool. I especially like, I just want to go back for 1 second.
Concert here in Dubai.
I especially like Aya and Sheena's shirt. I love, look at Colette. She's got that brown leather vest and that white balloony blouse underneath. Very nice. Very cool styling here. Very, very cool styling. Bye. Love it. Wow. Okay, folks. Maraming salamat po for being here. You guys are awesome. I'm happy this worked out. I'm happy that the subtitles were working now. Yes. You guys take care, stay safe, stay hydrated, and you know, as I always say, sarangge annyeong. Until the next time. Bye.